To factory restore your Airport Express, first unplug the power cable. Once unplugged, you're going to wait for about 10 or 15 seconds or so. Then, using a paper clip or your iPhone SIM tool, press and hold the reset button while the power is still disconnected. Keep holding the reset button down while plugging the power back into the Airport Express. Then you'll hold this for 6 seconds. You'll see the airport LED flashing amber. Wait a minute or two for the airport to reboot. Once rebooted, the light will stay solid amber. The airport is now completely restored to factory settings as if it were brand new. If you were using the airport to extend Wi-Fi, remember to go into Airport Utility and forget the device. To soft reset the Airport Express, you'll just want to press and hold the reset button for 1 second only while the power is still connected. The LED will flash amber, and now you have 5 minutes to change your password inside Airport Utility. If you wanted to do a hard reset, the way to do this is to press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds while the power is still connected. You can then go into Airport Utility and restore from previous settings. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe, and until next time,
this is Radial Tech.